A few years ago, I made myself a promise. I will never rely on just one income stream ever again. And it wasn't because I wanted to get rich. It was truly because I wanted to get free. Free to walk away from a toxic boss. Free to take a break when life gets too busy. Free to build something that was just mine. So if you've ever felt stuck, chained to one paycheck, one role, one option, this video is for you. Because today, I'm breaking down 5 AI-powered side hustles that you can easily do even if you work a 9-to-5. And no, these aren't just some random ideas from some get-rich-quick list. These are real, beginner-friendly side hustles that can actually bring in $2,000 to $5,000. And so the first side hustle is to be a content engine for busy businesses. These days, every business wants to be everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. But most of them don't have the time, the team, or honestly, the energy to keep up with creating content for every platform. I know this firsthand because I personally paid a YouTube content agency thousands of dollars to help me with this exact thing. I didn't have the bandwidth to do it all myself, and I needed someone to take my long-form videos and turn them into clips, captions, and short videos that could keep my brand visible across multiple platforms. So trust me, there's real demand for this. The best part is that you don't need to be a content expert to offer this service. You just need to know how to stretch one piece of content into many using AI. Start with something simple, like a YouTube video, podcast, or live stream. Then use tools like Descript to pull short-form video clips. You can also use chatgpt to turn the content into blog posts or Instagram captions. To keep things organized and on schedule, you can use platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social to queue everything up. And so you're not starting from scratch. You're simply helping people get more mileage out of existing content that they've already created. And so one podcast episode can become a short form video, a quote graphic, a LinkedIn carousel, a blog article, and an Instagram caption. That's 5 pieces of content from one source. And if you're wondering what the income potential is like, you can charge $1,000 to $1,500 per client for content repurposing. Just 2 clients can bring you in $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And again, I paid that much myself. So I know businesses are willing to invest in this. And so if you're looking for a hustle that's simple to start, high in demand, and lets you use really fun AI tools, this might be the one worth jumping into. One of the most underrated ways to make money right now, especially if you're good with words or love helping people, and that's becoming a LinkedIn branding coach. Most professionals know they should be building a presence on LinkedIn, but they have no idea where to start. Their profiles are outdated, their headlines are vague, and their about section sounds like a boring job application. That's where you come in as a LinkedIn branding coach. You'd offer what I like to call a LinkedIn glow up package. It's designed to help established professionals grow their personal brand and attract the right opportunities, whether that's speaking gigs, consulting clients, or new job offers. First, you'd help them clarify what they exactly want to be known for. Then, using AI tools like ChatGPT, you'd rewrite their headlines, bio, and job descriptions so everything feels clear, confident, and professional. Instead of just having operations manager in their headline, they'll have strategic operations leader, workflow automation, and team optimization. Next, you give them 10 simple post ideas tailored to their industry so they can start showing up consistently without overthinking it. You'd also include a couple of DM templates they can use to reach out to collaborators, clients, or people they admire. This isn't about applying for jobs. This is about getting visible and being seen as a leader in your space. You can charge anywhere from $250 to $500 for this package, depending on how hands-on you are. And with just a few clients a month, you've got a solid stream of income that doesn't require a big following or a website. All you really need is a few before and after examples, a couple of testimonials, and maybe a post or 2 sharing what you do. This is high trust, high impact work, and it's perfect if you love helping people show up with confidence and own their voice online. You're not just updating a profile. You're helping someone reposition themselves as an expert in their industry. When people Google their name, their LinkedIn is often the first thing that shows up. So this becomes their digital first impression. With the right words, structure, and strategy, you can help them tell a stronger story, highlight their expertise, and attract the kind of opportunities that align with where they're going, not just where they've been. And that's the real power of personal branding. Let's be honest, most people don't want to spend hours trying to figure out the perfect ChatGPT prompt. They just want results fast. They want the answer, the output, the content, without having to overthink how to ask for it. And that's exactly where you come in. You can create and sell pre-written ChatGPT prompt bundles for specific audiences. Think of it like giving a cheat sheet for their goals, ready to copy, paste, and go. These could be things like 25 ChatGPT prompts to grow on LinkedIn, or 40 prompts to create your coaching offer in a weekend. And so whatever the niche, there's someone out there that's looking for a shortcut, and you're giving them the good stuff without the hassle. Once you've created your prompt bundle, you can sell it on platforms like Beacons or StanStore. I personally recommend these platforms over Etsy, as you can charge a higher price because you don't have to compete with other sellers. You will need to put up a little effort up front, like writing, formatting, maybe add in a cute cover image. But once it's up, that's it. And you can price this around $10. Nothing too expensive. But think about this. If 100 people buy your prompt pack, that's $1,000 from one digital product you only had to make one. That's the power of digital products. It's passive, it's scalable, and it's way more beginner friendly than most people think. If you like writing, brainstorming ideas, or helping others save time, this is a super smart side hustle to jump into. Next, we have one skill, one niche coaching. Let me tell you a cheat code that changed everything for me. Most people wait too long to start coaching. They think they need a huge win, a fancy degree, or years of experience before they can help someone else. But that's just not true. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. That's why one skill, one niche coaching is such a powerful way to get started. You don't need to be everything to everyone. You just need to pick one thing you're good at and one type of person who needs your help. That's it. Let's say you've helped students prepare for college. Great. You can be a college readiness coach. You don't have to be an expert. With tools like ChatGPT, you can take what a student sends you, like a list of activities, part-time jobs, clubs, and turn it into a strong, polished resume and portfolio. And so if you think you'd enjoy helping teenagers become their best selves, then this is a great opportunity. And so if you're wondering how much you can make by being a college and SAT coach, I want you to look at Lucas. He was able to make over $100,000 in 6 months through his school community by helping students get over a 1,500 on their SATs. And so if you're good at helping students prepare for important tests, there's demand and financial opportunity. The truth is, the real shift doesn't happen when you finally feel ready. It happens the moment you decide to just start. All it takes is one person to say yes. After that, momentum builds. Word of mouth kicks in. You start getting referrals without even asking, and before you know it, you're making a real impact and real income from something you already know how to do. For the next side hustle, we have creating an Etsy printable shop. If you're the kind of person who loves creating but doesn't want to deal with clients, meetings, or back and forth messages, this one's for you. Starting an Etsy printable shop with the help of AI is one of the easiest and quietest ways to build passive income. Perfect for introverts or anyone who just wants to make money without being on all of the time. Here's how it works. You create printable digital products that people can instantly download. Things like planners, journal pages, wall art, habit trackers, and budgeting sheets. Anything people might want to print at home and use to organize or beautify their lives. And the best part is that you don't need to be an expert designer. But what you do need is Canva. And so with Canva, you can make beautiful, customizable templates, even if you're starting from scratch. Once you've designed your product, you can turn to ChatGPT to help you write everything else. Your product description, your title, your tags, and even your SEO keyword. If you combine ChatGPT with Everbee, which is an amazing keyword research tool, there's nothing that'll stop you from getting sales. And once listed, you can sell it over and over again. And so I want you to take a moment and imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a notification saying that you made $12 overnight. And so that's the magic of digital products. And that's why in this video, I gave you 2 different ways you can sell digital products, which I personally believe is by far one of the best businesses that you can start right now because it's low cost to start and it has high income potential. And so I want to leave you with this. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow, and you definitely don't need to wait for someday or maybe tomorrow. Start small, use what you have, and let AI be your leverage, not your replacement. Whether it's $200 or $2,000 a month, these side hustles give you something more powerful than just income. They give you options, they give you breathing room, and they give you a way out and a way forward. So which one are you going to try this week? Let me know in the comments below. And to make sure you have a home for all the money that you're going to be making, make sure to check out this video right here for the best business bank account.